Okay, shall we start today's class?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, yeah. No problem. So now, let's look at the objectives of today's class. Can you read them out?
Objectives of the chapter: circulatory system, parts of the circulatory system, heart, blood vessel, process of the circulation.
Yes. So these all are the things that we are going to learn in today's class. So before that, I want you to write down this as your heading. Write down circulatory system as your main heading, and beside that, write down signs at top right or top left. Mention the subject as well.
Okay.
Okay, circulatory system. So Anna, let me know. Do you have any idea about this topic? No.
No.
Okay, no problem. So Arna is your name, right? Do you have any other name, any nickname?
No.
Do you have any nicknames? You have only one name, Arna?
My mom normally calls me. No, she doesn't. No, I don't have any nicknames.
Okay, so I will let you know my nicknames. I will tell you the reason why we are discussing about nicknames. There is some reason for that. Okay, my name is Indupriya, as you know. But at home, people call me Pinky. Is that crazy? Pinky. Okay, so like that, circulatory system also has another name. So people call the circulatory system also as cardiovascular system.
Okay.
So circulatory system's another name is cardiovascular.
Oh, I think I know why they call you Pinky.
System. Do you know about this?
No, but I think I know why they call you Pinky.
Oh.
Because it's going in one circle of the. Because I've heard that the circulatory system.
Yes. So this I have asked you about.
It's like a whole cycle.
Okay, yes, it is the whole cycle. I'm going to tell you like what is circulatory system, and before that let us understand what is the another name of the circulatory system. Okay, what is another name of circulatory system, Arna?
Vascular system.
Yes, cardiovascular system. Okay, so we are done with this. Now, there are 3 parts in circulatory system, and you can see them on the screen. The first part, most important part in our body. I mean, all parts are equally important, but heart is like at most.
Yeah, because if your heart stops working, your whole body stops working.
So much. So the first part of circulatory system is heart. Okay. Second is blood. Third is blood vessel. Can you tell me the difference between blood and blood vessel? Do you have any idea? No idea?
I think blood vessels are the cells in your body.
Okay, fine. They're like a network, not cells. Okay, I'm going to talk about these blood vessels in detail later. First of all, you have to understand what is the circulatory system called. It is also called as cardiovascular system. It has 3 parts: heart, blood, and blood vessel.
Okay.
So later I'm going to talk about the process of circulation. So before that, write down cardiovascular system or circulatory system is also called as cardiovascular system. Right? This point. If the question comes like this, explain cardiovascular system or the process of cardiovascular system, then you may feel like, ma'am didn't teach me this. She thought circulatory system, but she didn't teach this. Don't feel like that. These two are same. Okay, so write this point in your notebook as an important point. Circulatory system is also called cardiovascular system. Okay, I will use white color because red is not that much clearly visible, right?
Yeah. Today you didn't put a background.
Yes, I forgot. Okay, have you written this?
Is
System is also called as cardiovascular system.
yes.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, write down parts of circulatory system as your subheading. Write down this as the subheading. Parts of the circulatory system. After writing, you have to show me, okay? I will ask you, then you can show your notebook to me.
Yeah, for that I'll need to switch my background off.
Then, not now. I will be asking you at the end of the class. Okay? Yeah.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah. After that, write down parts of the circulatory system. How many parts a circulatory system has?
3 parts.
What are they?
Heart, blood, and blood vessel.
Very nice. So write up to blood vessel and then we will move ahead.
So, 1, 2. Sorry it takes so long to write.
No problem, but it is very important for you to have notes. So that is why I am giving these all notes.
Heart, blood. What's your favorite topic you enjoy teaching?
What is my?
What is your favorite topic which you enjoy teaching?
Okay. I love to teach English. If I talk about subject, then I love to teach science. Then it comes maths.
Yeah, I like English. Yeah.
Same as me. You love English, and later all subject comes.
Blood vessel. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. No doubts up to here, right?
Yeah.
So now we will move ahead. Okay. So Anna, look at the picture carefully and let me know what this car is made up of.
Light matches.
Matchsticks or matches, right? Okay, very nice, very good. Good observation skills. What about this? What this car is made up of?
Wheels and matchsticks.
Matchsticks. What else you can see in this?
And wheels.
Wheels.
And a truck.
Is that truck or a matchbox?
Oh, sorry. So box, matchsticks, and wheels.
Perfect. Amazing. Finally, this car. Let me know what this car is made up of.
A child and...
Talking about...
No, wait.
Okay, I will wait. No problem.
Wheels.
Wheels.
Car.
Car. What is that material which is used to make this car? Plastic?
No, not plastic.
No? Then metal?
Yeah, metal.
Okay. So here we have a small girl. It might be a plastic car. What do you think? Is that a metal car or a plastic car?
Oh, it's a plastic car because she can't ride a car.
Even a car like this girl when you're young?
Yeah.
Very nice. I think I have ridden bicycle when I was small. Okay. So this car is made up of plastic, wheels. What else you can see? Lights, that means bulb and all.
Yeah, lights. And
that's all, right?
Yeah.
Very nice, very good.
Oh wait.
Yes.
Will the wheel be made out of rubber?
Yes. That's perfect. So wheels are made up of rubber and car is made up of plastic material, and we have even bulbs as lighting, right? Very good. If we just look at the watch, have you ever opened a watch and have you ever seen these all materials?
No, I've not opened it, but
you just open a small watch and you can able to see these all minute things. So if you have these all things, then only you can able to wear a perfect watch, or then only you can able to have a perfect watch at your home or at some place. Okay, see how minute things, very small things, and the plates and all, right?
Yeah.
So machines we see is made up of some parts. If I talk about mobile, I have mobile in my hand right now. When I open this mobile, I can able to see various parts. Even the outer part of this mobile is glass, and then the back part of this mobile is like, let me just show you. Just give me a moment. And this cover is rubber, and this is like what we can say a metal piece, right? Cameras and so many parts will be there. So we have so many machines around us, right? And those all are made up of so many parts, right? Yes. So now, if we talk about our body, okay? So, Arna, you have to listen to me carefully. So, our body is again like a machine which is made up of so many parts. We have so many organs in our body. Can you name some of them?
Brain, heart, stomach, kidneys.
Okay. Can you just move this? Now tell me. Yes. Can you try?
Stomach, brain, intestines,
thyroid gland or trachea, right?
Yes, thyroid here. And
Pancreases, bladder, liver, right? So these all are the various organs in our body. So you have to know what is happening inside your body and what are the various parts which are there in your body. Okay, so you can even say lungs as well, right? Heart is very important. Just now we have discussed, right? So these all are the various organs in our body. Okay, so yeah, I want you to make a list of the organs that we have in our body in your notebook. Write down organs. Organs. Just write down organ list. Okay, and write down the organs that you can see on the screen in your notebook.
okay. Instead of brain, I wrote Brian.
Take care of that. Don't write spelling mistakes.
Kidneys. Lung. Okay, done.
Done. Make sure you remember these all organs that we have in our body. Okay. So now, by closing your eyes, can you tell me some of these organs? Yeah, close your eyes and let me know. Some. If you can say all. Okay? Yeah, here you go.
Brain, thyroid, stomach, liver, heart,
Organs.
intestines. Did I say stomachs already?
Yeah, you said stomach. Arna, I will just tell you a trick. You have to remember the top part. Like you have to come like this, top from the bottom, then you can recollect. If you just randomly remember, then it will be hard for you to remember all organs. When you go from the top to the bottom, then you can remember. Just categorize the organs in that way. Okay, like brain, trachea, heart, lungs, liver, pancreas, intestines, bladder, like that. You have to just come top from the bottom. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and you can even add on stomach as well. Okay, so that's all. These all are the different organs in our body. Okay, so far we have learned three things. What is another name of circulatory system? What are the various
cardiovascular system?
And
Heart,
circulatory system and organs list.
Yeah.
Right? Very good. So before that, I have a question for you. How many types of systems do we have, like organ systems do we have in our body? We have some organ systems. Okay. So,
7.
how many are there? 7?
7. I
Okay.
don't know.
What are they?
I just guessed.
Okay, very nice, no problem. So now I'm going to talk about the different organ systems that we have in our body. Okay, so now let's get started. So here we have 6. First is circulatory system, so that is what we are going to learn in detail. Second, nervous system. Third, skeletal system. Fourth, respiratory system. Fifth, digestive system. And sixth, muscular system. Okay, so these are what organ systems. These all are called organ systems. Okay, repeat these names again.
Circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system.
Fantastic. Okay, so circulatory system, as you can see, I already told you there are 3 parts: heart, blood, and the blood vessels. That means the network that you see like roots, those are blood vessels. Okay, second one is nervous system, which is based upon nerves. Skeletal system means bones. Respiratory system means the function of lungs. Digestive system, it is based upon the stomach, intestines, and all bladder. And muscular system, okay, that one, the muscle part. Okay, so go ahead, write down the various systems that we have in our body. Okay, don't write tablet, computer, like that. Those are not.
Yeah.
Okay, so start writing these all systems. Write down subheading as systems in our body, or you can even write down organ systems. Okay, yeah. And start writing these 6 things that organ systems.
Do I for every 6, do I have to write the system after it, or do I just write the name?
Okay, just do one thing. I will just let you know how to write it down. So write subheading as organ systems. Okay, write down this as the another subheading. So start writing like this: circulatory system 1. Below that, write down nervous system. Then below that, skeletal. 4, respiratory. 5, digestive, and 6, muscular.
Okay.
Write vertically. Don't write horizontally. Like one after another.
Yeah. Otherwise, I won't understand it.
Yes, you're correct. Done? Okay, now did you understand what are the various systems that we have in our body? There are 6 systems, right? Make sure to remember these all names by the next class. Okay, so now which particular function? So as I said, respiratory system performs respiration, and if I talk about digestive system, it performs excretion and all. And if I talk about circulation, then our circulation system, which is also called as cardiovascular system. Okay, great. So now we have different organs, as we have already discussed, as we have already written in our notebook. Okay, so different organs in our body. will have a different functions. Okay, they perform different functions in our body. Okay, if one fails, then it will be again hard for the body to be healthy and to work properly. Okay, so as you can see, different organ systems. Organ system means respiratory, muscular, not organs. Okay, the systems work in coordination for smooth functioning inside our body. They work a lot for us. Okay, for what? For the smooth functioning inside our body. Okay, very nice. So now, if I talk about digestive system, the function of digestive system is to break down the food into smaller parts, absorbs all the nutrients, and removes undigested or waste food. Okay, like as we eat something. When we eat, we don't eat entire pizza directly, we don't swallow it. We have to bite it with our teeth, we have to chew it, right? So this is what we do. In the same way, this is what the digestive system does. Okay, it just break down the food into smaller parts. It takes all the nutrients, it absorbs all the healthy nutrients which are really important for the body, and removes the undigested or the waste food from the body. So this is the function of digestive system. Is that clear? So write down the function of digestive system in your notebook. It breaks down the food into smaller pieces, absorption of nutrients and removal of the undigested food. So Arna, whenever you read science, it is not important for you to remember the exact definition, but make sure just have your answer relevant to the definition. Okay, is that true?
What homework will you give me?
Pardon me?
What homework will you give me for science?
At the end of the session. Okay, I may give you the homework like to revise the things that you have learned, because I'm covering all the concepts from the basic. Right? I have asked you like what is animal name. I just teach you the all important aspects that you need to know. So I may tell you to revise the thing that I taught you, or else I may tell you to answer
Maybe,
questions.
or maybe worksheets of, or like to label the parts or something.
Label the parts. Okay, so now we will dive into the main topic of the day, that is circulatory system. So the main function of circulatory system, circulation, see the name itself says it circulates something, it transports something in our body. That is like a transport department. Okay, so here we have the transportation department. We have different vehicles where people travel from one place to other place. In the same way, in our body, blood transfers from one place to another place. So the network, the transportation which provides that or which allows that to do, that is circulatory system. The name itself, it circulates something. It is the transportation department of our human body. Okay, is that clear? So if you want to write it down, this is the definition of circulatory system. If you get a question like what is circulatory system? Circulatory system is a transportation department of the human body. You can simply write down your answer in one sentence. If it comes for 1 mark or 2 marks. Yeah.
Done.
Very nice. Do you have any doubts up to here?
No.
Nice. Okay. Give me a moment. Fine. Let's move on and learn something about circulatory system. So here you can see the definition of circulatory system. So far we have seen like what's the meaning of circulatory system. So now we are going to learn what it does in our body. So organ system that helps in transportation of substances to and from various parts of the body is called circulatory system. If you get a question to explain what is circulatory system of 3 marks or of even 4 marks, you can attempt this. You can write down this, will be sufficient. Okay, so actually the blood flows from lungs to the other organs and organs to the heart, and I will tell you the process. Okay, you just need to understand like how everything works in our body. So this is our body and you have to know about it, right? Isn't it? So circulatory system is nothing but it is a transportation system, or you can say it is a transportation of substances to and from various parts of our body. That's simple. Okay, you can simply remember this. Okay. So now, Anna, do we have heart? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. What if we don't have heart?
You can't breathe, and and then that means you die.
Yes, we can't survive. Can you tell me where this heart is located?
Here, I think.
Left side or the right? Okay, show me your heart. Take out this heart from your body and show that to me and put it back to your body. Is that
I'll die.
You can't do it. Okay. Can you tell me the position, like where your heart is located or everyone's heart is located? You put the heart on your t-shirt.
Yeah, it's located here.
That is your answer. Heart is not located at left side or right side. It's located in the middle. That is the correct answer. Okay, but why people say the heart is located at the left side of our body? Why do they say like that? If I say the heart is located in the middle of our body like this, if the heart is there like this, okay, then why people say the heart is located at the left side of the human body?
I think it's maybe because when you run, your heartbeat, you can feel it here.
That means heart is not in the middle of our body. Okay, so now let's find out this fact. Okay, are you ready? Would you like to know this fact?
Yeah.
Okay, so here you can see heart is located between our 2 lungs. That means in the middle of our chest cavity.
Slightly towards the left.
It is like the Heart of the heart is slightly towards the left, so that is why people say the heart is there at the left side of the body.
So here.
A little part of the heart, it is towards the left. So that is why they just say that heart is at the left side of our body. Okay, but it is actually located in the middle of our lungs. That means the middle part of our body, in the chest cavity. You can see in the picture. It is not completely located at the left side. It is in between of our lungs, but the part of the heart slightly towards the left. Okay? You can also write this point in your notebook, which is really important. So if you get any question related to the heart, you can write this point.
Done.
Done. Very nice. So do you have any doubts about heart?
No.
Someone asks you, Anand, you know where our heart is located? And you can say, yes, I know it is located in the middle of our lungs in the chest cavity. Then you can just answer to the questions that they ask you because you are pretty clear about this. Right? Okay, fine. So if we look into heart, I mean at the heart, I should say, we can able to see one complete organ like this. But when you just cut it off, or when you just look into the heart and you can able to see, I mean you shouldn't do that, but I'm just saying. Then you can able to see 4 chambers. There are 4 rooms in our heart.
Not rooms that she can open, but
yes. How many rooms do you have at your home?
Upstairs or downstairs?
Oh, is that much big?
Yeah.
How many rooms do you have in your house? Complete total rooms.
Okay, wait, let me count.
Oh, you are not aware of that?
I
Okay, fine. Count and let me know.
including the bathrooms. Ten.
10 rooms. How many bathrooms do you have?
2. One downstairs and upstairs.
Oh my god, do you have stairs inside your house?
Yeah.
That's very nice. Is that a duplex house? Is that a duplex house? You know what is called duplex house?
What?
Duplex, that means like a big house, a house which has stairs inside it.
Yeah.
Very nice, very good. So like that, heart has 4 rooms.
I don't have 4 rooms.
Pardon me?
But I don't have 4 rooms.
4 rooms. Okay. Yes. So they also have some names. Let's look at that. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just take my pen. Okay. So now, when we talk about the upper 2 chambers, they are called auricles. Okay. So here you can see the right atrium, left atrium. That means auricles. They are written like that. Or atrium or auricles, both are same. So A heart has four chambers. The upper two chambers are called auricles. What do we call?
Oracles.
Auricle. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. What do we call?
Ventricles.
Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't draw the heart diagram now. Just write down human heart is four chambered. And below that, write down the two important points you have. Okay, Arna?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, very good. Remember, a heart has four rooms, and you shouldn't write as four rooms. You have to remember that as a four chambered. Okay? Upper two chambers are what they are called?
Left auricle and right auricle.
The upper two chambers are called auricles. Simply you can say auricles. And what about the lower two chambers of the heart?
Ventricles.
Ventricles. Very nice. Right? Auricles. This auricle is different.
Yeah.
And the lower two chambers are called ventricles. What is your future aspiration? Doctor or engineer or what?
I think doctor maybe.
Oh, that means you have to know about this body parts now. Right? Then this will be easy for you to understand more if you know them now. Right? So if you cut a heart vertically like this, then you can able to see right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Or you can say right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. So far you have learned so many things, right? Are you feeling tired?
Yeah, a little bit. After this, I need to go to gymnastics.
Oh, okay. You learn so many things at once, right? You learn gymnastics, you learn math, you learn science. That's very nice. You're multi-talented. Okay. So now, let me ask you a few questions before I end the session. I'm not going to teach you a lot. I want you to feel free. Okay? Take a deep breath and feel free, be free, because I'm not going to teach you a lot. So in today's class, you have learned many new things, right? Let me just close my door once. My dog has opened actually. He just comes and listens to my class. Go out. It's not going up. Okay, let it be. So now, in today's
I recognize that voice which was behind. It's this Indian channel.
yes. So yeah, now I can just close. My dog went out. Okay. So now, what we have learned in today's class?
Today we have learned about the circulatory system and different system organs and different parts in the body.
What else?
I know that the circulatory system is also same as cardiovascular system. Yeah, that's all we learned.
Okay. Now, before we end the session, I would like to ask you a few questions which are based upon the things that we have learned. Okay? So, you have to close your notebook, and before that, I will give you 2 minutes time. Just look at the things that we have done. Okay? And once you're done, show me a thumbs up, then I will be asking you simple questions. You can even tell the answers in your own words. But you have to relate. You need to have this relation. Okay? Yeah. So here you go.
Done.
fast? Okay, not bad. Okay, very nice. So now let me ask you the questions. And we have a lot more to learn. And I didn't teach you about blood. I didn't teach you about blood vessels and there are different parts in blood vessels like veins, arteries, capillaries. No, we are going to discuss them in our next science class. Okay. So the main topic comes here. Circulatory system. What is the another name for circulatory system?
Cardiovascular system.
Perfect. What are the various parts of cardiovascular system?
Brain, thyroid.
Those all are our organs. Okay, this we will have. If I talk about,
Oh yeah, I remember. I think it's heart, blood, and blood vessel.
make sure you remember and be sure about them. There are only 3 parts in circulatory system, and those are heart, blood, and blood vessels. Okay? Okay, fine, very nice. What about the different organ systems in our body? Come on.
Brain.
Organ systems.
I keep getting confused. Okay. Digestive system. Respiratory
system.
Yeah.
Pronounce it respiratory.
Respiratory system. Circulatory system. Digestive system.
Skeleton.
I'm gonna look at it. I want you to
Okay, you see 4. Digestive, respiratory, skeleton, and what was the other one?
One more. Nervous system. And also muscular system.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now tell me the organs list where you were waiting to say about that. Yes.
Brain. Thyroid.
After this, what you will have?
Heart. Lungs. Stomach. Intestines. I don't know how to pronounce it. What?
Pancreases.
Pancreases. Bladder. Kidney.
What about liver? You forgot
Liver. Lungs.
You said lungs, but you forgot liver. Yeah, very good. So now, let me know what is the function of digestive system.
Digestive system breaks down the food that you have.
And what it makes? It breaks down into what? Smaller
pieces.
And what it does? Okay, it divides, that is correct. What it does after that? So you are telling which are vegetables
and it takes the nutrition in our body.
It takes the nutrients from the food.
Yeah.
And removes what?
The waste part which they don't need.
Or undigested food. Okay. Remember this function. What about circulatory system? What is circulatory system?
It's
a transportation department. That's simple.
Oh yeah, transportation department of the human body.
It transports different substances to and from various parts of the body. That's simple. Okay, very nice. So how many chambers a heart has?
4.
What are those upper two chambers called?
Auricle and ventricle.
The lower two chambers called ventricle. Okay. But if I just continue the section, 1 more hour, you will miss your gymnastic class.
Here is 4:40 now.
We have 2 more minutes actually. But before that, let me know when is the gymnastic class?
6 o'clock.
It's so long, right? We have very much time.
But then we have to leave at 5:30. So if we continue 1 more hour, it'll be 5:40, and then but we need to go at 5:30 because it's long way.
Oh, okay. So what is your favorite class? Like what class do you like to have?
In like studying or
Studying normally, huh?
probably English.
English. Oh my god, very nice, very good. So that, yeah.
In outdoor activities, swimming. I do lots of swimming, and I also do tennis. Sometimes we go out for tennis, but normally we go for swimming.
Oh, you even do swimming? Oh,
Yeah.
very nice, very good. You do swimming, you play tennis, you do gymnastics. Oh my god, a lot of physical activities. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, see you in the next class. Tomorrow we will discuss about the main topics, okay, in maths. Have a nice day, dear. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye. See you in the next class.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yes. So, Arna, are you there?